good to have you with us here at WDTV.com. Here's one of our First Alert HD Skycams streaming 24 hours a day, 7 days a week right here at WDTV.com. Here's what we'd like you to remember for the next 7 days. Weather-wise, strong storms possible for your Tuesday. More thunderstorms on Wednesday as well. Some of those could be strong as well, so keep watching that. Very summer-like for later this week. Heat, humidity, and unfortunately a couple of thunderstorms added to the forecast. We'll talk about that more specifically a little bit later. As we go through the overnight hours, some high clouds, especially a little bit more humid. Temperatures overall being mild and will stay dry during the overnight hours. In general, falling into the middle 60s for most of us, including 60 in Elkins, 64 in Glenville, 65 up in Morgantown, and 61 in the city of Davis. As we go through the day on Tuesday, we're expecting some thunderstorms still. Some of those could be strong at this point. We'll continue to track that possibility here in the First Alert Storm Center. Here's what we're thinking for specifics on some of those strong thunderstorms. Most of the activity thunderstorm-wise will be between 4 p.m. and 11 p.m. Hail is a possibility, but it should be generally small if it happens. Wind gusts should max out in any of the stronger storms, that is, between 40 and 50 miles an hour. And in general, rainfall amounts will be between about a half an inch and 3/4 of an inch during the day. But some of that could be locally heavier, and it'll take at least at 1.4 inches in an hour to get any flash flooding. So we'll continue to watch for that possibility, but overall, chances do seem a little bit low for flooding tomorrow. High temperature wise, we'll only get to the upper 70s in Davis. We'll go 78, 85 in Clarksburg, Weston, Buchanan, and 83 in Hundred during the day. Later this week, we're going to continue to build the heat and the humidity. And as we go into the late stages of the week and this weekend, could be a thunderstorm, should be isolated in nature. That's the way it looks now. We'll see if that changes. So one more time, here's a look at your forecast, which you can always find here on our weather page if you miss any of this. So for Tuesday and Wednesday, more storms around. Some of these could be strong, if not severe, with strong winds and some hail possible, perhaps even some flooding. Thursday, we'll keep it dry, comfortable, humidity levels, and warm, highs in the middle 80s. Friday had to add some isolated storms, but should not be a problem for high school football late in the day. Saturday and Sunday, warm and humid, highs in the middle and upper 80s. Had to add a thunderstorm not just to Sunday, but also Monday as well. Thanks for clicking on WDTV.com.